everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a fun fall press-on nail set to share with you. I really loved the final result and how everything came together. They're matte, they've got some glitters, there's some stamping. So if you'd like to see how I came up with this look and all the steps it took to achieve this, stay tuned. So for this fall inspired look, I will be starting off and I'll be using the Magic Gel MLAC number 69 orange style. So I did share the fall and fashion collection, so this is where this gel polish is from. Honestly guys, like, I'm in love with this because this is an orange and I rarely find oranges that I like. So far from Magic Gel, there's been two. There's been one from, I think it was the Brighten Up Day collection. I'll leave that in the cards. And then this one from the Fall and Fashion collection. So I'll be going in and doing four of the five nails in this stunning orange color. I did forget to mention that all the tips have already been prepped, buffed, filed, has primer and everything on it. I just decided to do it off camera, you know, to save time for the video. And I don't know, maybe some people find that like process or those steps the boring part. So if the boring stuff is something that you guys would still like to see in the tutorials, you know, just let me know and I'll for sure include them. So for the nail that I'll be doing the glitter on, I'll be going in and applying a thin coat of Light Elegance Extreme. And I literally don't need a lot. Like, I'm just going in and I'm just applying a thin coat so that the glitter will have something to stick to. And the glitter that I'll be using for this is from the Glitter Boutique Canada, and it's called Always Amber. This was actually part of my most recent glitter haul, which I will have linked in the description for you as well. So pretty. Like, I find these colors are gorgeous for fall. Like, look at that, especially with all the holographic properties. Even out of focus, it's still really pretty. So I'm just using a brush. I believe I got these off of Amazon a few years back to apply the glitter. And again, I'm not going in with any like particular rhyme or reason. I'm just trying to get as much glitter on the nail because I just want it to be a full glitter nail. And I'm just trying to make sure that if I see any sparse areas, I just go in and try to get the glitter to stay in the area that I want it, but at the same time, I don't want them too close to the free edge, because when I encapsulate it and I file, there might be some sticking out. So this is what the nail looks like with all this gorgeous glitter on it. So I'm just going to go ahead and give this a cure, so this will help the glitters to really stay intact. And then once I take this out the light, I am going to go and just do a thin coat of the Light Elegance Extreme over the glitter to help encapsulate it and seal it in. Because no one's going to want this. It's going to be all like textury and glittery. So I'm just going in with thin amounts to encapsulate the glitter, and then I am going to file it, because at the same time you don't want too much product so that it becomes bulky. Like, the glitter is already adding some texture to it already, so you just want to make sure that they're all sealed in, so when you file none of them come off, but at the same time you just don't want it to be too thick of a nail. Angling the tip down to help the gel flow. And now I'm just going to make sure that all the sides are covered. Next I am going to be going in with Ugly Duckling's matte top coat. I am going to be doing some stamping for this set as well, but I am going to make all the nails matte, although two of them will be glossy, the glitter nail and the nail with the stamping on it. But I'm still going to go in and matte all of them. I really wish my camera was picking up how gorgeous this orange is. So my matte nails have gone ahead and cured. So remember what I said about the Ugly Duckling matte? You have to go in with some cleanser and just remove the tacky layer so that you can get the true look and feel of the matte. In all honesty, guys, I'm usually not a matte girl. I usually really love a glossy top coat, but lately, I don't know. I've really been enjoying the look of a matte nail. I also went ahead off camera and debulked and filed and buffed the glitter nail. Look, guys, gorgeous, right? So for the stamping, I will be going in and I will be using this Lina 4 Seasons Autumn 01 plate. So you can see it has a lot of fun fall images. I really enjoy Lina's plates. They're always like really good quality. I will also be using my Mundo de Unas Gold number 17 along with my Mundo de Unas number 9 red. and my clear jelly pink Big Bling XL stamper. So I am going to be using this leaf image right here. So I'm just going to go in and like place blotches of the Mundo de Unas gold. If you can hear my son, one of the cats are probably tormenting him and he wants to touch her, but she's not allowing him to touch her, so he's just going to yell at her. That's what that's about. And next I'm just going to go in with some of the red. Again, no real rhyme or reason. Just go in, blend the two colors together. Look at how pretty that looks. So I realized there's a leaf missing. I'm just going to go back in, redo the stamping, and just place one leaf right there. And I'll be adding some bling to the pinky and the middle finger. It's not going to be nothing too extravagant. I just want to keep it simple. So I'll be using my Ugly Duckling Shticket to apply my Swarvoski crystals. And I will be using Crystal AB crystals. I'm just turning it back and forth to make sure the crystal is as centered as I would like it to be. I'm sitting here placing these, and in my head I'm thinking, okay, winter sets, Christmas sets, because before we blink, guys, it's literally gonna be around the corner. Like, look at how that looks all over the mat. I am loving this. And I am gonna be going in with my Magic Gel Nail Guard Tackless Hyper Shine Glossy Top Coat. And I will be using this over the glitter nail and the stamping nail as well. And here we have it, guys, for this fun fall nail press-on set. I absolutely love the final result. I think everything worked together, and with the glitters that I used, the gold and red stamping just made everything flow perfectly. So let me know what you thought about this set down below. And if there's anything you'd like me to create or try to recreate, let me know as well. Thank you so much for staying tuned and watching this video. As always, I will make sure to have all the products listed down below in the description for you as well. If you did like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Turn on that notification bell so you will be notified when I do post more content. And if you really think there's someone that might like this video, please go ahead and give it a share. As always, guys, you can follow me on all my social media links down below, as well as my press-on nail shop is linked down below. Stay glamorous.